Ever heard of the Maillard reaction?
What makes salmon fillet mouth-watering, roasted vegetables smell irresistible, and nearly every cooked meal taste better? It's all thanks to one of the world's most intriguing chemical processes, the Maillard reaction. Whether you're grilling a steak or roasting veggies, the Maillard reaction works its culinary magic, transforming raw ingredients into flavourful masterpieces. But what exactly is the Maillard reaction? It's so much more than just browning food. It is in fact a mesmerising cascade of chemical reactions unfolding simultaneously during cooking. It involves sugars and carbohydrate-rich foods and amino acids and proteins producing a symphony of compounds that create delightful aromas and flavours, from cocoa-like alkyl pyrazines to caramel-infused furanones. The Maillard reaction contributes to the rich bouquet and delectable taste of cooked dishes. Since its discovery by French chemist Louis-Camille Maillard a century ago, scientists have been unlocking its mysteries. But what's the secret to achieving the perfect Maillard reaction in your cooking? It's all about temperature and pH. For optimal results, cook between 230 and 340 Fahrenheit to speed up the reaction without risking charring. And if you're pressed for time, adjust the pH of your ingredients. A dash of baking soda can speed up browning, imparting a sweet caramelised essence to your dishes. Just be cautious not to overdo it, or you might end up with a mushy mess. So the next time you're in the kitchen, embrace the wonders of the Maillard reaction and let your culinary creations take on a flavour-filled journey to another level. Got any cooking chemistry tips to share? Then please do let us know in the comments below.